Okay, now we're going to install the rest of the cables coming out of this plug here. So we still have the two short ones, which will go to the CO2 power supply here. We won't actually hook those up yet. But we have the other ground. And so this ground will go to the first power supply here, right? But we still have a ground that needs to be connected over there. I didn't want 3 grounds coming out of here. So I have another cable. So just like the last video, make sure they go like bottom to bottom here, right? Because you don't want it bending a ton doing this. This works great right there. Okay. So I'm going to install these two into here, making sure they get under the screw. There we go. Cool. And then I'm going to tighten that up. Now this pin right here, for me on this power supply, there's a ground symbol. It looks like an arrow pointing down a little bit with some dashes in the arrow. That's your ground. Okay, and it's the same thing over here. But this time there's only one thing to plug in. Okay. Guess I gotta loosen that. There we go. All right. Perfect. Now we have the neutrals to put in. So we got one neutral that's going to where the power supply is going to go. And another neutral that's going to pretty much follow the grounding here. So the neutral is an N. Okay, so put this in N. And then again, we have a jumper that goes into N. This one's the opposite facing way. And then there we go. Okay, get that thing nice and tight and run it over here for this one. Okay, always making sure to come under the bar because our lid needs to close. All right, one last thing we got coming out of this is the live for our 12 volt. Okay, so our 12 volts always going to be active while this thing is on. That way we can still pull smoke out, we can still have lights in here, etc. So I'll put my 12 volt in here, and that's the L right there. There's an L symbol scratched into this for the live. And now we're all plugged in. Thanks for watching.
The lights.